Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your email on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll show you how it's done both on PC and mobile. On desktop, when you have Spotify open, click the three dots button at the top left of the screen. Select Edit and then choose Preferences. This will open a web browser and load your Spotify account settings. Click Edit Profile. You can remove your existing email address and enter a new one here. Click Save Profile down at the bottom once done. On mobile, this can't be changed from the Spotify app, so you'll need to open up a web browser and head over to spotify.com. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. When you're logged in, tap your profile image from the top right of the page. Now tap Edit Profile. From here, you can edit your email address and hit save when done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.